Hey, always wanted to do that, of course. But hey, guys. Well, thank you for watching. Just a quick recap on how you can query historical changes inside the Monkey Data Warehouse. It's actually pretty straightforward, but it takes a few tips here to get a feeling with it, I think. So basically, the Monkey Data Warehouse generates views. You can see them over here on the left side for the historical table, in this case, customer. And customer right now is set to process insert, updates, and deletes. So, but in this demo, for example, I did export a full customer data from a table, of course, and then I let the Monkey Data Warehouse determine if there are any insert, updates, and deletes that are happening in the source. So a lot of text here, but I do want to highlight a few things. So the current view is actually been built for having a current view, so one-on-one actual copy from the source. Deleted view, which is in the name, only shows deleted records, so which comes in handy if you want to run a query on all tables within different sources to check whether there are deleted records, yes or no. And the latest view, in this case, is also the last seen, contains all the last seen records from the source, which is a combination of the current and deleted. Because of course, you do want to query deleted records also if you want to build an historical dimension. So an historical dimension in this case will be built on top of the latest view. Well, a lot of information also about the processing methods. Take your time. I do want to head over to the query section. Let's start with the current view. You see here that it has a view prefix and a current suffix. When you run this one, 10 records are returned. Now, Unicode proof, of course, is current is set to true. They are not deleted, so they're all false, and they are latest, so they are the last seen from the source. Deleted view is, of course, a bit slimmer. In this case, in this demo, it only shows 3 deleted records. So deleted is true, current is set to false, and these are also the latest. And heading over to the end date, you can see that instead of the 9,999, it actually has a different timestamp on the moment that the data warehouse processed this change. Now, heading over to the latest view, which is then still a combination of the current and the deleted view. This one returns 13 records. And if you then head over to the right side, current, and then also 3 records deleted, and they're all latest. So they're all still the last seen version of that particular business key in this case. And here a couple of changes. Also Unicode, which is nice. And over here you can see the deleted records that have a different timestamp than the other ones. So let's head over to the historical table. So it is actually the table without the view prefix. If I run this run, it will sum up all the historical changes. And then here you can see I did simulate a few changes. And in that case, the end date is set with a timestamp. That timestamp becomes the start date minus 1 millisecond, and then it gets the new end date, which can be used for a SQL between query, for example. Well, this record is current. It hasn't been deleted, and it is the latest, as you can see. So it's been a short demo. If you have any questions, please let me know. The query itself, including all the notes and all the descriptions, are included in the download package. So you can just use that one and use the sample files to simulate a similar setup. But for now, have a nice day. Bye-bye.